Hi guys! I will show you how to use free VPN in Windows without installing any VPN client. So all you need is the Opera browser. Probably it's the easiest way to use VPN. So if you don't have this one, please download and install it. So when you are here, probably you want to access any website or service online which is region restricted. So if you go, for example, to get some podcasts on Pandora, you will get information that is available only in the US, but you are abroad. So what is workaround? Go to your Opera browser when the setup is complete. Go to Easy Setup, top right corner button. Just go down, and under Privacy and Security there is VPN and button for Enable in Settings. Just click that one and enable VPN, just switching here. If you will do it, the VPN icon will appear in the search bar. So let's go again to Pandora Podcasts. And there you go. You can now access your region restricted websites. If you want to change the VPN, just open by clicking the VPN icon, and here you will see the virtual localization. You can set that you are from Europe, and let's say you are refreshing that one. You still have access. Now you are in Asia. You still have access. But if you turn off the VPN and you are in some country where it's region restricted, you will get that information. So this is how it works. Very simply, very easy, for free. I think that it helps you, and thanks for watching.